And we also use these voorzettsels for time, tide. Voorzettsels for tide. Tide is time. So let's learn how to tell time in Dutch. If it's, let's suppose, this time. In Dutch, we say it's as kwart over 2, which means quarter over 2. And if we have got this, then we say 10 for half 3. It means that 10 minutes are left for 2:30. And in Dutch, we don't say 2:20 or 2:30, it's half 3. So if we have got this time, then we say half 3. If we have got 14:45, 2:45, then we say kwart for 3. If we have got this, then we say 10 over half 3. So we are using prepositions or voorzettsels here. And if we have 14:50, then we say 10 for 3. It means 10 minutes are left before 3. So this is how we tell time in Dutch using the voorzettsels or the prepositions.